No, you still can't say
idiots.
hi.
Oh, probably can't say that either. Definitely can't say that.
He called me a nerd.
Nerd. All right, the big block was cool. It was fun while it lasted, but it's coming out for the Lord's engine, which is that thing right there.
Plastic block.
Yep. So she's coming out. Hopefully she's going to a good home. Give us lots of money for it. And then we're getting a 427, some twin force performance turb skis, and EFI and Hughes converter and dump valves and lots of cool stuff. M5, big injectors, mechanical fuel pump, bigger radiator, long travel down the road, but not right now. But either way, she's coming out. She ran for the last time in our possession today when we backed her out, or pulled it and not backed it out. Uncle Sam will no longer be big block. Help us.
I'm really busy right now.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You see these boats? Yeah, I forgot to take the motor out.
Amber! Amber!
Come here!
Come here!
She's free. We're disconnected. Nope, now she's free. Oh, you're just on a bolt. You're good. There you go. Oh.
The car doesn't want to stay down.
That's not good.
Oh, you need to go forward. We're disconnected. I can hold the car.
Yeah, your fast
So-
weighs more than the motor.
Oh my gosh.
Are you gonna video something? Or
How am I supposed to video?
damn car?
I'm holding the car down with my forearms right now. How am I supposed to?
Actually,
Yeah, like,
stand on something.
here, you take this. Take this, Amber. Take the phone.
Good grief, Amber. About time you did
When
something.
this thing falls, we want it on camera. This is not. Okay, I'm not alright.
I am not alright. I just want the chain to break.
Oh, okay, so let's get out of here.
That's what I'm trying to do.
The chain's not in the
Okay, it's definitely gonna break.
Oh, hold up. That's hurt.
It's this thing.
Sensei? Here's
Oh,
Sensei.
there we go. Hold on.
Core and center.
Alright. There you go, there you go.
You're good. Oh, okay. You're hitting right here.
That's a big bitch.
Damn, she's big. Or weighs the same as an LS.
You're right. You're fast. Oh yeah, you can set the car different though.
Oh. Remember?
Like, Austin, you stay inside there, and then you set the car on the ground.
We should have let his guy rest. I was gonna tip overboard. Yeah, we're gonna pull this lock. Right here, you just push down.
Oh yeah, pull the switch.
It's definitely going back.
Do a wheelie.
What it doing?
Oh my god.
Thanks, Zach, for that edit.
The fiberglass thin side skirts are this high off the lift, and he's. I was like, oh, I was waiting for him to just go.
Wait a minute.
Crunch. I was gonna say my brand new, but they've been on there since like '96. So.
My brand new.
Your brand new, they're brand new to you.
Alright. That's good. Thanks, Amber. Alright, we're over here just practicing our launches. So this is how it goes. It's just hold on, wait. I gotta get the camera right. You hold it. Yeah, we try to. We might have a little bit of rear weight bias, boys. Yeah. Just like this.
We're just dumping fuel because we're sloshing it from the back and the front. It's great. Good job.
This is my life now. Moo. What do you think?
About
This.
this?
We got the mock-up block set in.
The greatest thing I've ever seen. It needs to happen.
I mean, it looks like it is happening.
Oh, it's happening.
Oh, it's happening.
It's happened for a while.
Yeah, so we got the mock-up block in. We actually have, sorry, I'm horrible about selfie filming. We got 3 inches we can move this motor back.
3 more.
That's what I'm saying. We already went back 3 from the standard big block going to LS. Now we got 3 more we can go back. So I'm gonna cut these mounts out. Apparently it's a big deal to keep the crank angle versus the drive shaft angle versus the pinion angle correct. So I gotta measure what this is now and try to at least duplicate it. I can get it just a little off, but it can't be that far off or else I'll be fighting issues. So I'm gonna do some measuring, take this motor out, cut my mid plate mounts, move them back, get the drive shaft cut. Front plate's on the way. We'll make some front plate mounts. Header kit's on the way. Turbos are getting built. This is all happening in one day. Turbos are being built, header kit's on the way, motor plate's on the way, getting ready to move the motor plate back. The motor is being built. I don't think this will be the intake or the valve covers we use, but they're good for mock-up for now. Obviously this is where turbo is gonna go about right there somewhere. I'm gonna run the cold side piping. Obviously this will come off. Cold side piping is gonna go in here, around, back into the throttle body in there. Keep everything as far back as possible. When we do big tire stuff like track stuff, I'm gonna have a fuel cell that I mount up front just to add some weight up front because everything's gonna be so far back now. We got plenty of room for that. I'll probably put up all this stuff. Honestly, my goal right now, and everybody's gonna be mad at me, is not to get this thing ready to go backtrack racing the first of the year. It's to get this thing ready to go to sick week the first of the year, and after sick week, then we will convert it because it. Not only does this whole car need to be built, like, you know, obviously LS turbo, EFI. After that, it can go big tire track racing, which is what sick week will be. So that's actually only half the work of what I would have to do if I want to go back track racing with this thing. So that's why it's kind of a no-brainer for me to go sick week because it's not as much work.
I.e., Nicky Bobby has no long travel.
What even is that?
The
Don't s-
That's gotta change.
So after sick week, we'll get long travels. But for now, motor, turbos, EFI, fuel system, bigger radiator, take the nitrous bottle out, take that damn delay box out, put another seat in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the brake setup. I don't know if the spindle mounts are good for drag and drive or not. I don't know what they do on road, you know, with road use. So we got a lot of figuring to do, but right now we got a lot of fabbing to do. So first things first, we're gonna get the fabricating.
It's gonna be bumpy.
Moo's already breaking my struts, so we're gonna get to work. Just a quick update. We got the mock-up block in there. It fits great. It looks great. It's gonna get some of them turbos on it.
It feels great.
Force performance to the wind.
Feels great.
All right, bye. You'll never guess who's buying this. Our turbo sponsor's buying our nitrous motor. What do you think about it?
I'm glad it's gone in one piece before we blew it up. So that's good.
Sean said the only way that I'm gonna forgive you for missing the Christmas party is because you're getting rid of that motor before you blow it up.
Yeah, good riddance.
Drive my truck up on blocks?
Some of it. Tilt it back down.
Oh no, try that. Pull her forward a little bit. Keys are in. When it's just warm enough, but not cold enough to where you have to wear pants, that's what you wear. I can't remember where we left off. We just discussed it, but I still don't remember. I totally forgot as soon as you turned the camera on. We had the mock-up block in there. So we've been steadily just taking all these parts and pieces out of it that we don't need. Coils, pressure transducers for old style gauges, wiring, all the BS. The other night, I got down there and I cut out and ground smooth the mid plate mounts. Made my own mid plate mounts. Who knew angle iron could look so good? Oh. So the mid plate was here. It was literally right there. Now it is going to be there. I don't know why I won't stay. There. It's gonna be there. So like 3 inches further back. So the motor, the big block was about right here. The LS ends up being here, and now it's gonna be like here. Maybe not that far, but it's gonna be way back there. It's gonna be amazing. Gonna do wheelies. It's never gonna spin. And that's that. I'm gonna have to flip the trans cross member. I think I can flip it to where the little mount goes backwards, redrill the holes. That'll work. Cut the drive shaft, and then we're ready to bolt the mock-up block back in, mount turbos, do headers, cold side, start fuel system plumbing, mount radiator. I got a bigger radiator from Flat Top Mick, some fans. I don't know if they're gonna work with 16 volts or not. Doug from Motion hooked me up. He found me like the only mechanical belt fuel pump drive setup in existence right now because they're having some hard time getting some parts. But he hooked me up. Thank you so much, Doug, because that's saving me a lot of time and me not having to wait on something till the last minute is gonna be a big deal because we only have so much time. And yeah, that's it. So I'm actually taking the big block right now. It's loaded up in the back of my truck. I'm driving to Van Alstyne, Texas, where Force Performance is, and Robert is buying my motor. So Robert's buying my motor. I'm gonna go to Texas, hightail it home with this money, order all of our EFI, fuel system, all the stuff we need to make it run. And we're gonna get it running. I'll send her on down through there, bud. We have like 6 to 7 weeks, I think. So, not very long.
First of all, I got your spark plug board. They sent it with the wrong number, so I custom modified it.
Custom modified.
Yep. Also, can I get you to give this to Robert?
Yeah.
And give him this too.
Okay.
I'll help you.
Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks, dude. What a a-hole.
Yeah, he wanted
I
those.
need at least $17 for shipping and
Well,
handling.
okay, send a bill. I packaged those up and I've been waiting a week to do something with them, and then today opportunity presented itself.
Hi, I'm Opportunity.
Yes.
I've got it really sealed up.
Let me see. Surprisingly pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, as long as the bedside can hold 850-pound motor, we're good to go.
Well, it's at multiple points, so.
Oh, okay. Okay. Who am I to judge? You get these at Bumper Wilson Tuning Facebook.
Facebook/Bumper Wilson Tuning.
Yep. They had 5 horsepower.
Yep.
So.
Send him at least 3 messages until he responds. If he doesn't respond, just hit me up. I'll give you his number.
You're leaving right now?
Literally, yeah.
Yeah, that was good timing.
I know.
I was like 2 minutes away from costing myself $40 in shipping. Good. All right.
All right.
You driving all through the night?
Yep.
All right. Be careful.
Meeting him in the morning, getting breakfast, and then hightailing it home. Most likely, I'll get there, meet him, sleep, make it home Monday night.
Yes, I'm sure.
All right. Bye. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
See you guys.
Do a burnout. This is my tow vehicle, not a race truck. I think I can see myself in the reflection. Saw, dude.
I can't roll it down.
I was gonna do this. Aww. Do a burnout!
Well, I've never done a burnout in this thing. I was gonna do one just for you, but the traction control won't turn off.
Might have to hold the button down. 5 seconds.
1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. Wrong. We'll try it anyway. I don't know how to feel.
Turn that total out.